Hi, welcome back, and this time we're going to cover the AWS. Previous session was around Azure high level, this time is around AWS high level. So AWS dot Amazon .com, and let's log on. So I do have a test account, so I'm just going to log on to the management of the EC2, and you can see he's signing in. It's going to be the state. As far as I remember, I'm using the same test account for my Azure, and this is for the AWS Elastic. So let's just log on. If I remember the password, that would be great. You got 20 months free trial. So you log on. Again, this is a high level. You can see there URL is changed to US-West2. It's a test environment console. Yeah. This is a bit different to Azure. I'm not sure which one you prefer, but doesn't matter to navigate. But just to show you how they are different. Let's color code it. You get the build solution options here, and I'm just going to navigate through the options. Okay, so you have the status bar, names, whatever, resource groups, and options. Yeah. These ones we're going to go through them one by one, and we compare the services against Microsoft Azure. So here, if we go to the services, you will see all of them are listed. So it's a bit different, and you can see it's less than Microsoft Azure. In relation to compute, you go 1 to 6 option, EC2 and Lambda, patches, Elastic, which is 6. DevOps tools, we got another 7, and new improvement will be 10. We got machine learnings, we got the Amazon Smerian, AR and VR, and we have the application integration, and then we have the management tool, storage, database, business productivity, identity, desktop as a service, media service, migration, network content and delivery, and Internet of Things. Theoretically, mobile services, gaming, and uh, yeah, if you go a little bit down, you can see this is what we have. So this is sort of like a high level what you are after. Again, with the Microsoft one, there was a search bar as well, we did not cover. And similar to this one, if you would like to search for VPC, you see I can get a VPC, isolated cloud resource, or VNet, or no firewalls or gateways, and the same thing applied to basically Azure. So again, as I mentioned, it's a bit different, but the principle-wise behind all these public clouds will be similar. So let me just collapse that one, close it, and just show you what else you have here under the AWS. So we got some labs or some training, you want to call them, and these are really useful. So I'm just going to click on them and show you around. But before that one, look on my right hand side, you can see explore options, where you can basically explore AWS. You can see Amazon Relationship Database, SQL, or Oracle, Aurora, MariaDB, and so on. And you can expand and read about it. Same thing apply to the real-time analytics, yeah, and getting started, and the marketplace where you will see everything about AWS. We'll cover these in more details. Similar to the Microsoft Azure one, we had different sections. Under each sections, we had so many sort of technologies or platforms. Same thing here apply. But what I like about that AWS as well, I've got something around learn to build, so some DevOps or some labs, which is available there within Azure. I'll show you around. But here, let's have a look what does mean to us. Because for beginners, starters, definitely I will recommend to go here. This is what I used to do. Yes, Azure has more options, more videos, but let's have a look at this as well. Depend what exactly you want to do with it. As soon as you click on it, it will take you, you've seen, outside. Okay, so you're not part of it, but there's a shortcut too. Now with Azure, it's plenty of through Microsoft, what I call it, Virtual Academy, their online library. Same thing apply here for Azure AWS. As soon as I click on it, it's take me to sort of like an AWS training guide, and here we can look at the website, DevOps, backup recovery, and big data. Pick and choose which one you are interested in. Yeah, because I logged into the management side of it. So give an example. Let me just go to the website. I've got 3 tutorials, 3 labs, 6 projects guides, and DevOps same thing, backup and recovery. So if I click on the DevOps, let me see what options I have. It will open for me the labs, tutorials, and really useful, options around the CI, CD. Again, I'll cover these in more details. We start with a high level and then we move on toward these options. How we do the migration, the GitHub, other options as well. But just to show you the differences between, the high level, what you will be seeing there, what you will be seeing here when I say there, AWS against Azure. You see, terminology-wise, they are different, but principle-wise, pillar-wise, they are same. Here we go. Guides about each services and what they mean, and you go the guide associated with it, which help you around videos and learning. Now with Microsoft One, you got the channel line, you got the fake IDs, you got other videos similar to this. Yeah, both they will provide us with some useful info around the cloud or public cloud. So close that one. Back to where we were before, and I think that's all for today. It's a high level just to show you what options so you can navigate and what they mean. These, yeah, we're going to cover the comparison between them, like resource groups. You can see these new options so we can add resource groups and build in your own solution. Yeah. Also show you where's the region. Mine's in not in Europe. It's this environment, but I got UK, I got Germany. You can see other regions. I think similar to the AWS, we have few options as well, but Microsoft will keep extending, I think, more than these options. Give an example, in UK, which is EU London, they have South and West UK and Central UK. Same thing with Germany, and kind of doesn't mean Amazon only having data centers in London, but it could be scattered, So, but Microsoft, they have, I believe, more than these. This is just to make sure, clarify this point, yeah. So more data centers, I think it's larger than AWS. Okay, I think that's all for today. It's just a high-level comparison between AWS and Amazon, and later on we will go through each of these services and show you around and how you can build and utilize it, and we compare it against Azure. That's all what I had for you today. Hopefully you have learned something useful, and I shall basically see you the next part.